The Text FX Jitter Alpha plugin will allow us to jitter the alpha of our text, and we just need to drag it onto a font here, and we go into the Text FX Jitter Alpha settings and we have a progress percentage. We just need to advance this up to 100% here, and you can see when we do that how this font now starts to jitter with the alpha settings. So within the properties here we have some options. We have a direction which is set to normal by default. We can change this to opposite, random, static, wave, center, or to center. There's also an interpolate. You can change it to linear or soft, and this will interpolate the keyframes of this jitter. And the effect range again is just how it's affecting from one font or from one letter to another. Again, a random seed generator, and then you have your ignore space and ignore new line as well. There's the text order as is, and again, if you change it to horizontal, you get your choice of right to left or left to right. If you change your text order to vertical, you get the choice of up to down or down to up. Now down below you have your alpha settings, so you can select your minimum percentage of the alpha. So now it's only going to dip down to the alpha at 15%, and here's the alpha max. It goes up to 100%, but you can adjust that down as well. Now it's only going up to about 77%. And then also there's the randomness here that you can adjust it to. So as you speed it up here, you can see it affects the randomness. So that's the Jitter Alpha.